In this video, we're going to show you how to set up the two essential tools that you will need to be able to make calls. Our first tool is a software called Zoiper, which you download and install into your computer. The second one is our online dialer platform, which is Vicidial, and you log into this through a URL which you enter onto your web browser. In order that you can set up and log into both Zoiper and Vicidial, and for them to be connected, you will need to have received an email from Lead Generation X that shows you your login information. First, you will see the link to the Zoiper website, and from here you have to download Zoiper onto your computer. You download it through that link and then install it. It's a free version of the software that we use. When you run your installed Zoiper from your computer, you will see the settings options and you can create a new account. There's sometimes different versions of Zoiper, or they have different interfaces, but essentially you always just go to settings and create new account. All you have to do when logging into Zoiper for the first time is copy and paste the information from the email into the corresponding boxes. It's very straightforward. So the account type is SIP. You need to put your user or host, which is similar to an IP. You need to put your password. And the domain or outbound proxy, you leave it blank. When the login is complete, it will say your account is active. However, we are not done with Zoiper yet, as we have to link it or align it with Vicidial in order that you can make calls. Essentially, Zoiper is the phone and Vicidial is the dialer, and they have to be working in cooperation. You only have to open Zoiper once each time you log into the dialer, and then calls will be connected through to your headset. In the next step, we're going to show you that you open the browser and copy and paste the Vicidial link that we sent for your URL. Then, in the opening page, all we need to do is enter all the login info for Vicidial, which is also received in the same email. Now, a common mistake for people here is to put their user login information where it's requesting phone login information and vice versa. So it's just important that you pay a little bit of attention at this moment to make sure that you're putting the right user and password for the right item. So phone login and user login are two different things. You then select a campaign, which is normally I'm as new, and then you submit. And once you submit, your Zoiper will start ringing with an incoming call. You answer that call and you'll get a voice, a message in your ear that says you are the only person in this conference, and that is you active in the system. You are now ready to take calls. You can close Zoiper. You can minimize Zoiper, and then you are ready. And then in order to start taking calls, you simply click resume. And once you click resume, calls will come in. When it's your break time or your lunch time, or you need to pause, you click pause and time will stop. And one final note for your active hours, your active hours are only when you are either in a call or you are on resume waiting for a call, or you are filling out the CRM. That's it. And if you get stuck, the best thing to do is watch this video again and again and again until it becomes completely fluent in your subconscious.